Now, I have got this truck for 7 years, almost 7 years. And I have never, ever had any problems. All I could say is that I love it. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. And yes, like I said on that little intro, I have got this truck for almost 7 years now. Not a single time I've been stranded anywhere. The only major problem that I have got with this truck is transmission, but out of over 200,000 miles, something's got to go wrong with it. Now, if you notice it's dark outside already, I'm sorry. The memory card that I was using kind of failed on me and I lost some of the footage. I just find out now that I went inside and was editing my video a little while ago. But anyways, this truck has been nothing but fun. If you found my video and you're looking for an H2, this is my own review of it. I'll post a review of the H2 in this coming week. By the way, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. Feel free to go ahead and check one of my other videos. But anyways, back on the subject, nothing but a fun ride. A truck of this age, mine is a 2004. Obviously, if you do find one 2004, 2005, or maybe like a first gen 2003, it's gonna need some love probably. If you're looking for an H2 right now, if you're shopping for one, I would suggest to try to get something that's under 100,000 miles. That way, you know, if it's first owner, even better. And yes, there's still people that got their H2s. Under 100,000 miles, you still can get it for a good price, and it's gonna run. I mean, if you take care of it, it's gonna run forever. I've got over 200,000 miles on mine, and I have done pretty much simple basic maintenance. Full synthetic oil for the engine, full synthetic oil for rear and front differential and transfer case. The only big thing that has happened is my transmission, my reverse gear actually went out, and I just went ahead and did a full rebuild. But if it wasn't because of that reverse gear, this truck, the transmission would still be fine. And keep in mind that I have been off-road quite a few times, and I don't mean off-road like a little dirt or just a little mud like one of the videos. And by the way, check the link up here for the last video I made when I took the H2 to the mud. It wasn't a big mud or no big off-road situation, but I do take it off-road every now and then. Have I seen the need to modify it to go off-road? Honestly, the few times that I've been off-road to serious trails, and the most serious thing that I've done, I think it was Utah, all I did is I put a different set of rim and tires on it, not the factory ones. I think I put can't recall the brand, but it was that's pretty much all I did. I mean, I put a more of an aggressive tire. What I have right now is just the regular BF Goodrich that come with the truck. Other than that, that's it. And also remove my side steps. Would I modify it now? Probably. I do plan on getting a small lift, probably like a 4-inch lift. Change the suspension a little bit. I don't have the stock suspension anymore. What else do I have in mind? We'll probably try to see if I can fit a little some bigger tires on. And I'm also looking to put a tire rack up on the not a tire rack, but a rack up on the roof where I can put my spare tire, because as of right now I don't have a spare tire. My H2 came with the option to put the spare tire on the inside, and when I bought it, it was a spare tire. I've just never got one. don't do that. If you buy an H2, please get a spare tire ASAP. But yeah, I mean, overall, fun truck. If you come from the Jeep side, which I've met some people here in the LA area that are Jeep owners, and they finally, now that the H2 prices are dropped down to a big number, they finally able to afford one, and they're pretty happy. They came from the Jeep, kind of like a different setup, and they're, like I said, they're extremely happy. Am I gonna get the new electric Hummer that GM just announced? Yes. I mean, I'm pretty excited that now GM decided to bring the Hummer brand back. I'm gonna wait to see what the price looks like. As of today, the 7th, March 7th today, what I've known so far is good enough for me to be convinced that I do want it. I haven't seen it yet. All I've seen is renders, but yeah, definitely I'm gonna get it. You'll see on the channel, because I'm not planning on quitting YouTube anytime soon. So you'll see on this channel, if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, I'm on other vehicles, you will see an electric Hummer. Now, what's gonna feel weird that in about a year and a half or so, instead of plugging this in, I'll be plugging a cable in